Simple past tense, the basic idea. Something happens. It's finished. Immediately, we can start using the past tense to describe it. The building exploded. Something happens. It's finished. This is now a past situation, even if it happened only a second ago. Use the past form of the verb. Crash. They crashed into each other. Write. I wrote the word right. Wash. She washed her hair. Turn on. Someone turned on the light. The more distant past. In the above examples, the actions happened only a very short time ago. For actions or situations that happened in the more distant past, we usually add a time. Her first day of work was last Thursday. Minecraft first launched in 2009. Ronaldo played for Real Madrid for about 8 years. The past tense in video games. In video games, players focus on the present situation, so naturally the present tense is used most often. But the past is also very common, just as it is in natural conversational English. Here are some examples. In the first example, the speaker noticed something that just happened that is relevant to the present situation.
I'm pretty sure I heard somebody outside. I thought I heard him to the east of me.
Next, the players react to something that just happened.
Oh God! Why'd you shoot me, man?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's my bad, dude.
That one hit him real hard.
That hit him real hard.
When something surprising has just happened, it is natural to discuss it using the past tense.
How far can this guy run? He's under me.
Yeah. That guy ran.
Guy ran so far.
He ran so far. All the way to the edge. He did not want to die.
Did he even know we were chasing him? It was just...
In the final clip, we see what two players say to each other during and right after an attack. During the attack, the only past tense expression is got one, meaning that one enemy player was killed. After the attack, both players immediately start using the past tense.
Take the pump. They're here. I can't tell if they're up or down, dude. Dude, they are coming. Got one. What the hell? Two more. Two more. One more. Girl. What the hell? Where did they come from? Let's go. Dude, I expected one team. Two teams came up the stairs. That was madness.
You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Why?
Because that was insane.
That was insane.
If you have any ideas for other grammar topics, please let us know by leaving a comment.